Yes. He takes it up higher. She makes everything bigger. Kissy pie. All right. Let's go. My friends, oh, what was that? Is he spreading the joy? Wow, okay. So we've been getting absolutely wrecked. It is Saturday, NCAA Final Four weekend in Las Vegas. You know how popular it is. And the Durango Casino has proceeded to absolutely wreck us. But we still have hope. If there's a will, there's a way. And winners never quit. And quitters never win, but they might run out of money. So like and subscribe. And leave comments down below. But seriously, we are trying our best to make something happen here. Wifey and I are down, I don't know, today, like 1,000. Oh, one more. We're down about 1,000, but we can get that all back in one spin up there, right? So that's what we're here to do. We've seen how much potential and how much fun this game can be. The panda is a little bit creepy, but he didn't hear me say that. So we're gonna try our best to recoup. Hello? Sometimes he can drop stuff out of his pot, which we've seen. Like now? No. Hello? We would like for the panda to do that. Oh, almost 5 of a kind. Almost doesn't cut it. Yes. No. Some fishes and some queens. Okay. Wifey is behind us somewhere. Lightning link. Oh, lightning link? Oh, wild. Oh my god, did it not connect? Oh, all that for just the ace is the most random line too. Where was it last time? If we got it last time, it would have been huge. It's still pretty good though. Hello. Very cute. Oh goodness, okay, again. Do. Are things turning around, Panda? Will you help us get unstuck? 2 more? Okay. 2 more? Okay. We want to see the feature because it's a ton of fun from what we've seen. We've never done it ourselves yet, but we know. We've seen Vegas Low Roller and such. Before. By the way, we have our lucky Vegas Low Roller approved keychain that Mama... Oh? Hello? That Mama Vegas Low Roller gave us when we met her here. So that is our good luck charm right there. Let's see. It was good luck for us last week, that's for sure. So let's see if the good luck can transfer over this week. Oh, whoops. The rage, just as Daniel would say. I don't know, 2 cents. What's the next bet? It was 3. Let's do this. Same bet. 2 more, 5, 10 more, whatever. Super, that would have been fun. Come on, Panda. Okay. The line hits are kind of bountiful in this game. Bonuses? That is another story. That's a story that is yet to be written. Let's try some 75. Okay. We go to 75 and then what? Oh my god, is the lightning link? Okay. Absolutely no connection. What was the point of that? All that pomp and circumstance? Okay. Okay. We want to see some bonuses. Maybe we get 6, right? It just pops by itself. Yes, no. $0.68. Okay, come on, lightning link though. Oh, it's not. Well, at least some kind of connection. It's not poker. We don't need 3 of a kind aces and 3 of a kind kings. Oh, now lightning link. What the heck? Is it this hard to get a bonus? We've been absolutely struggling all day. Come on. It's a fun game though. I would recommend it. I would recommend it even more if bonus. Oh, 225 bet. Let's see what happens. Lightning link, please. Why it did that, no one knows. Please? Hello? I thought pandas were supposed to be really nice and friendly. Okay. I like how as soon as we up the bat, it's like, yeah, everything's all good here. Here's a bunch of worthless wilds. We don't need worthless wilds, we need, whoops, valuable wilds. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Super bonus, no. Yes, hello? Wifey's like, why are you looking at the game rules? I'm gonna call HOA on this game if it doesn't give us a bonus. I need to make sure I know the rules before I do that. Oh, come on, come on. The bonus? Really? Yeah. So ours is the unlucky one then. Okay, so maybe we should leave. Wifey says everyone else is getting bonuses except for us, so. Okay, Wifey said everyone else is getting bonuses except for us. But here we go. We got a super, we got this guy, that guy, and this guy. So we got, okay. Kung Fu Panda, let's go, come on. Oh, wow, okay. So this is the bonus we were waiting for, I think. Yeah, so I know these guys do stuff. I forgot what they do. Wifey just said we should leave. She kisses it, makes everything bigger. Okay. All right. Let's go. Wifey just said we should leave because everyone else is winning, but we were like, let's keep trying a little more. More pandas. Yes. He takes it up higher. She makes everything bigger. Kissy pie. All right. Let's go. More magic. Hello? I'm terrified. It can't be over right now, people, right? I'm pretty sure it can't. Officially, it can't be over. Okay, there we go. You saved our life. Okay, one more higher, but nothing else is there. So let's get something. I'm glad we at least got the bonus, you know, like. So there's not much up there, but just fill this up with different situations. Okay, that guy's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, he gave us way more spins. Okay, that's good. He gave us more spins. And he counts his money too, you know, so. All right. That's the best one to get. Because, oh my God. Wifey says, do they know I kind of look like them? I'm a chunky donkey, okay? I'm kind of cuddly like a panda though. Hello? Yeah, oh no, this one. Because that's the best one I would say for right now. Any of them would be nice right now, come on. Does that reset? Oh, that resets it, good. The one with the katana is good too because he gives you an extra spin. Oh, the super one would be really, really nice. Okay, oh, that's good. Double higher. Oh, so now we get that guy too, that's good. That gives us a lot more spins. Yes. Oh, we're at the top, people. We made it to the last boss. The final master is up there, the last level. Now, everything, anything, all the things. Drop some of those too, please. With a 150 bet, 5 spins. Don't stop now that we just got up here. That doesn't mean that much, okay? Hello? Last 2 spins, okay. Okay, thank you, thank you. We needed that. That gives us 6 spins. Yes, so getting any of the pandas right now would be nice. The collect one is the one we really want. Come on, panda friends. Panda Empire, come on. Give us something up there. Hello? There's so many spots for something to fall, I mean. There's so many places for something to fall. Okay. We need some more panda friends though. One more collect guy would be really nice. Hello? I like long bonus rounds, but come on. Excuse me? Okay. Don't leave it like this. Okay, I guess. That was a very long one, but if we got one more of those collect guys, it would have been really, really huge. I'm glad we at least got the bonus, so it was fun, but what we're paying 150. As you can see, you really need these panda buddies to help each other out. It's nice getting to the top, but yeah. 30x bonus, about 32x. Okay. Calm down. We're not even, oh, whoa, where did that go? Okay. So, only down 25. Oh. Can I pop? How many more? 10 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I said 10. Oh, let's go 11. Lucky number 11. Pop the pot. You think I should stay here? I don't know. Wifey says that I should try to keep. Wifey says I should just try to pop the pot, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I was gonna call it, but let's see if Wifey's intuition is correct. She says I should stay. Random pop right now? That would have been nice. Whoops. Hello? So if I lose this, that's Wifey's fault. Four more. So I gave it 11 backup spins is what I was gonna do, you know? But now we, yeah. 7. I don't hear anything. I mean, already lost $60 more. I'll keep going. Why? Wifey's like, you don't have to keep going. Like, what? Come on.
Well, where are they gonna do with all that money? He just needs to let it go.
I know. I agree. They're pop? We'll do 225 at least. Yes? No. So, men out there, you should listen to your wife most of the time. Oh, unless Lightning Lane. Oh, do it. Yes? What the heck? It can do that and not pop? That's so stupid. I didn't know it could do that and not pop it. I thought it would just drop wilds if it's not going to give you the feature. Okay. Y'all should listen to wife most of the time, but unless she's like keep going on slots, then you probably shouldn't listen to her. And that is it. We tried, we got a bonus, we had fun, Wifey made us stay longer, and now we have no money. But it's kind of happened like that. Most money goes to Wifey anyway. I'd rather just go into her than Panda. But we'll see you in the next one, people. Thanks for watching. It's a fun game though. Try it out.